Hi, this is our latest kitchen design. One of my favorites that we've ever done. For me, it's all about relationships with clients and the chemistry. These clients are my clients for over 21 years, and they actually waited 25 years to do this kitchen. And I feel like we did it all. So these are my signature lemons, which I always put into a photo shoot. It doesn't make any sense, but it looks great on photos. This is a family of 4 growing, and there are more chairs that can fit on this table. The cabinetry was done by Doka Kitchens, and I think it came out phenomenally beautiful. It is a wood veneer, and the countertops are actually Neolith. The first time we've used this product, and I think it almost looks as great as marble. As far as the lighting is concerned, I always try and do as few hi-hats or recessed lights as possible. And we actually took 2 lights and set them next to each other to make this one long lamp. One of my other favorites is this Mooey light fixture. Hold on. Okay, go. We integrated the sink. We used Franke for the sink, and we actually used Jin Air appliances, which integrate so well that you can hardly see where the refrigerator is. And here's the fridge, and here is the freezer. We have these very, very comfortable stools. There's a lot of room in this kitchen, and I tried to make it fun and happy and exciting. I love it. It's a wrap.